Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Wise in Europe, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So at first you're going to head over to wise.com, and from there you're going to click on open an account, and then you're going to enter your email address just like so, and then click on next. From there it's going to ask what kind of account, let's say personal account, and it's going to say where do you live most of the time. So you're going to select any country that is situated in the Europe. Let's say for now we select Ireland, and then we're going to click on continue, and then it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you're going to put in your phone number and then click on send verification code. So it's going to ask you for a verification code which will be sent. So after you confirm it, you just need to make a password, and then your Wise account will be open up. And after you open your account, it will look something like this. So in order to send money, you just need to click on send money over here, and then you can see you can send international money. All of the currencies are available here, and the recipients also here. And then if you want to do same currency, you can also do that. And then in order to add your money, all you need to do is click on your currency. Mine is Bangladesh, so we're going to click on add, and from there you can connect your bank account and everything, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.